Hello guys, my name is Sishan and welcome back to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you an update about tutorial coin. The ticker symbol is TUT and you can see this is up around 21% so far today. Before I do the technical analysis and give you some levels and patterns to trade here, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to mention your favorite altcoin in the comment box below, and that might be my next video. Before I do the technical analysis, if you would like to see how I personally approach my trading in real time, including the entry prices, take profit prices, where to put stop loss, what leverage to use, all the good stuff will be shared inside my VIP Telegram group. You can find the link in the description right here, as you can see. There is also a free Telegram channel where I post my results on a daily basis. So if you like the results, then you can subscribe to my VIP Telegram group. Link is in the description of this video. Not a financial advice. This is just for learning and educational purposes only. All right. Let's start this by looking at the daily chart on the tutorial coin, and you can see right after the listing, price went into a sideways action, and since then it is slowly in a sideways action right here, as you can see, and now it is moving towards the upside. So the trend looks very healthy, and any pullback would be a nice buying opportunity. So what I'll be doing right now is, instead of buying the coin right here at the top of this range, I would wait for some sort of pullback to give me a better entry price on this. So on the 4-hour chart, I can see this area at around 0.0650. We have a nice area of support and resistance. So if you see price dipping down to that level, watch out for signs of reversal before buying right here. Very important. Another level that I'm interested in buying is right here at around 0.05851. We have a nice area of support and resistance. So if you see price dipping down to that level, watch out for signs of reversal before buying right here. So basically these are the two levels, right here somewhere and somewhere here. I'll be looking for a buying opportunity, and if the price comes down to one of these levels or near these levels, and if the entry criteria makes sense to me, then I might be issuing a buying alert somewhere here or here with an entry price somewhere here or here, take profit price along the way, where to put stop loss, what leverage to use. As I said, all the good stuff will be shared inside my VIP Telegram signal service group. Check the link in the description below this video right here. Not a financial advice, of course. Do your own due diligence. Let me give you a hypothetical example of what you could be expecting around these levels. Let's say hypothetically you buy right here. If the price dips down to that level right here somewhere, then your first take profit would be right here, the next support and resistance area at around 0.07527. If you wait for this level to come, then you would probably be targeting this next resistance area, or you can also target the highest of this region and at around 0.0748. Kindly note that these entries and exit areas that I'm providing you right here are not precise. This might change according to the market condition and the price action. So in order to get the real-time updates, you guys need to follow me on my VIP Telegram signal service group. Link is in the description of this video to join. Right? I hope you guys like this quick video analysis and TUT tutorial coin. If you liked it, then please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and kindly note that this video is not a financial advice or a recommendation of any buy or sell activity. Kindly do your own due diligence. Read the full disclaimer at the bottom of the description of this video. Thank you.